trying to release myself from this pain, standing here like better days. Release me from myself again. What you said, something I should not forget, something that I never heard before, something that I always thought but never found the words to say. I'm flying but I ain't got wings, crying without tears. Since I saw your face again and your eyes look so familiar when you're smiling without fears. Oh, let me see that face again. Building up my dreams, please don't think that it's selfish when I walk alone, but I realize it's just me who can keep me from falling. What you said is running around my head. It's crazy that I like to hear it more and more, but baby, I'm not sure if it's the right way to go. 'Cause I'm flying but I ain't got wings, crying without tears. Since I saw your face again, your eyes look so familiar when you're smiling